breathing, learn to breathe out of my story, but it gets blurry in between love and obsession, caught in the wreckage. Let me be. You are a prison, why won't you listen? In the deep end, we hit a dead end. Every time we're swimming